by Rob Holley. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with a restart on wall 5 after 16 counts and a tag on the end of wall 6. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about where the restart happens and what the tag is, and then we're going to go around and dance 7 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows and where everything happens, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn back then right now. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to rock back with our right foot, recover onto your left, and we're going to do a right shuffle forward, step right forward, left together, right forward. You're going to step forward with your left foot, make a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to do a half shuffle back, making a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side. Step your right foot next to your left, and then make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left. You'll be facing 12 o'clock. When you do this half shuffle back, try and over rotate slightly so your hips are more pointed to the right. It will help lead into the next section. So let's try it with some counts, rocking back. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping our right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock, and we're going to hold. We're now going to do a ball step by quickly stepping our left foot next to our right and stepping our right foot to the right side, touching your left next to your right. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side, and we're going to hold, and then we're going to do a ball step, quickly stepping our right next to our left, step your left foot to the side, and touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. Right now your weight's on your left foot, you're facing 12 o'clock, you're going to make that quarter turn. 1, hold, 2, and 3, 4, 5, hold, 6, and 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a heel grind quarter turn. So you're going to take your right heel, you're going to place it forward, you're going to put your weight onto your right heel, and you're going to swivel your toes from left to right, making a quarter turn over your right shoulder to face 6, and recovering back onto your left foot. We're now going to do a right coaster step, stepping our right foot back, left together, right forward. We're now going to do a Monterey quarter turn, turning over our left shoulder. You're going to point your left toe to the left side. You're going to make that quarter turn over your left shoulder. As you bring your left foot in and next to your right, you're going to point your right toe to the right side and cross your right over your left. You'll be facing 3 o'clock. So let's try it with some counts. Heel grind. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a Lindy to the left. So we're going to do our chassé to the left, stepping left side, right together, left side. Rock your right foot back behind your left and recover onto your left. We're now going to do half of a K step. So we're going to step our right foot forward into the right diagonal, touch your left foot next to your right, step your left foot back center, and touch your right next to your left, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that last part with some counts. You're doing your Lindy to the left. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're rocking back, rock back. Recover, shuffle forward. Step, half, pivot, half, shuffle, back, quarter, side. Hold, ball, side, touch, side. Hold, ball, side, touch. Heel grind, quarter, right, coaster, step. Monterey quarter with a cross. Lindy, rock back, recover, step, touch, back, touch. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're rocking back. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, hold, 2, and 3, 4, 5, hold, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restart and the tag. Our restart's going to happen on wall 5, which is our front or 12 o'clock facing wall. We're going to dance the first 16 counts of the dance, and then we are going to restart. So let's dance up to that point. We're rocking back with our right. Rock back, recover, shuffle forward. Step, half, pivot, half, shuffle, back, quarter, side. Hold, ball, side, touch, side, hold, ball, side, touch. Stop right here. This is where your restart is going to happen. This will now become wall 6. You're going to dance wall 6 all the way through the full 32 counts, which will put you at 6 o'clock or our back facing wall. When you get to the back wall, you're going to end the dance with your half of a K-step, and then we're going to add on a reverse rocking chair. So we're going to rock back with our right foot, recover onto your left, rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, and then we will start the dance all over again. So now let's try just that tag with some counts. It happens that one time. After that, you don't have to worry again. We would have just done our K-step, our forward touch, back, touch. Now you're going to add on this tag, rock back, 1, 2, 3, 4, then we'll rock and shuffle forward and start the dance all over again. So now let's go all the way around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. We're going to dance through the tag and the wall that follows so that you can practice that transition. Weight is on your left foot. We're rocking back. 1, 2. Weight is on your left foot. We're rocking back, rock back, recover, shuffle forward. Step, half, pivot, half, shuffle, back, quarter, side, hold ball, side, touch, side, hold ball, side, touch, heel, grind, quarter right, coaster, step, Monterey, quarter with a cross. Lindy, rock back, recover, half K-step, rock back, recover, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, rock back, recover, shuffle forward, step, half, pivot, half, shuffle, back, quarter, side, hold ball, side, touch, side, hold ball, side, touch, heel, grind, quarter, coaster, step, Monterey, quarter turn with a cross, Lindy, rock back, recover, half K-step, rock back, recover, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, hold, 2, and 3, 4, 5, hold, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to dance 16 counts, rock back, shuffle forward, half pivot, half shuffle back, quarter side, hold ball, side, touch, side, hold ball, side, touch, restart, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, hold, 2, and 3, 4, 5, hold, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, add your tag, rock back, recover, rock forward, recover, rock back, shuffle forward. Step, half, pivot, half, shuffle back. Quarter, side, hold ball, side, touch, side, hold ball, side, touch, heel, grind, quarter with your coaster, step, Monterey, quarter with a cross, Lindy, rock back, recover, K-step, and that is the whole dance. I hope this helps you learn back then, right now. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.